Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sichamba Jacob. I guess you are doing fine wherever you are. In this video, I'll help you understand on how to answer the exam question which I have from IGCE paper 4, extended 2017 May June. So it was on transformation. Okay, it was on transformation, and the first question was to draw where this triangle will be if it was to be translated by this vector right here, 2, negative, 6, negative 5. So the first thing that you must do here is to identify the coordinates. So we shall say this is a point A. Point A is a 2, 6. Point B is a 2, 10. And point C is a 4, 10. So once you identify these coordinates, you now check the numbers here or the given vector. This vector, the 6, is showing that this triangle will move 6 steps to the right side. And negative 5 shows that it will go down 5 steps. Okay? So we can start with the 1 point. I'll start with A. A is at 2, okay, along the x-axis. And along the x-axis, we are moving 6 steps. So from 2 here, we shall say this is where our 0 is. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our 6 is falling at 8. This is where our 6 is. Okay. We now go to check, or we check along the y-axis where this point will be. So along the y-axis, it's negative what? Negative 5. So from where this is, we shall move 5 steps downwards. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is where the point will be, right here. The intersection of this and this. It's where our A will be. Okay, so we go to point B. Point B is also can be found using the same procedure I've done with point A. So we shall move 6 steps going to the right side along the x-axis because it's right here at 2. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's at 8. It's also at 8. Now, going downwards from where B is supposed to be 5 steps. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be at 5. So this is where they are meeting, and this is where our point B shall be. Okay. All right. So next is point C. Point C is at 4. So 6 steps, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be at 10. So you make your line like that, and then going downwards, it will be right here, because this is where 0 is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is where they're meeting. And there our point C will be right here. Now we can join the points to show the triangle, or to draw the triangle. So this is how it will look like. Okay, thank you. We go to the next question. All right, so the next question here, we need to draw, okay, the image of a triangle T after rotation through 90 degrees and clockwise with center 4, 10. So and clockwise, meaning this triangle will go this way, like this. So what we need to also identify here is the center of rotation. So the center of rotation is right here, okay? Meaning we can start with this line here. So it will be like this. This is how it will be, this line, okay? It will be like this. Our B will come right here. So the same distance from C to B is the one which should be from this C to the B, the other B. And here we can show that this is B prime 1 there, prime 1. This is B prime 2, so that we differentiate. And our A, meaning if this has rotated like this A will be somewhere here, this side. Okay? So this is where our A will be. The same distance from here to here must be the same distance. So you can count from here, it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 here. So the same here, it's at 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, at 8. So this is where our A double prime will be. Then we join. So this is how we do it. And this is our triangle. It has rotated 90 degrees and clockwise. We now go to the next question. This other question here, they're saying draw the image of a triangle T after enlargement with the scale factor. They have given us the scale factor here, 1/2, center 10, 0. So the first thing will be to identify our center. 10, 0 is right here. Okay. So after you identify that, try to join all the points. Okay, you take them to the center. So point A here to the center, point C also to the center. We're just joining the points here. Point B, the same to the center, like that. Okay. So after joining these points, hopefully you're able to see, joining them to the center, all the points. Find the difference or the distance from where point A is to the center along the x-axis. So if you can see, if this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it's 8. So now you say 8, okay, along the x-axis, 8 times 8 times the scale factor, okay, which will just give us a 4, okay. This is a 4. So meaning where point A will be from where point from the original here, we need to move 4 steps. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's at 6. So make your line nicely like that. Okay, like that. All right. So since we have identified where the point will be along the x-axis, we also need to do the same along the y-axis. So the difference from where point 0 is from here to where point A is, it will be 6 times 1/2, which is just a 3. So meaning you go to where 3 is, like that. So where they are meeting, that's where point A will be. Okay. So now we go to the next one. We do the same. What we did with this line, now we go to this line, which is joining point A and point B and the center. So you find the difference. If you can see here along the x-axis, it will be just 8, the same. Okay, so it will be 8. And then along the y-axis, from where it is to here, it will be 5, because this is 10 times 1/2, which is equals to 5. Okay, when you work out. So 5 is right here. So you move like that. Okay, so the point B will be right here. So this is where point B is. Okay, we go to point C, where point C will be. So the difference, so this is 4 here. Okay, and this one. So the difference from 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's 6. So it's 6 times the 1/2, the scale factor, which will give us a 3. So now you check from here, where is our 3? Okay, from where the point is, it's at 4. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. It's at 7. So you just do your line like that. Okay, hopefully you're following what is happening. Again, where point C is along the y-axis, here when you check, it's from 0 to 10. It will be 5 because 10 times 1 over 2 will be equal to 5. So you go to where 5 is, it's right here. So where they're meeting, it's over here. This is where they're meeting. And it's where our point C will be. Just join those points. So this is where the triangle will be, okay? And we call this triple prime to differentiate, okay? All right. I guess this makes sense to you. All right, so we do question B, okay? The first thing here will be to know or come up with the coordinates for the image that we want. So we shall get the given matrix, okay? This is the given matrix, and then we multiply it by the coordinates of the original triangle. So I've 2, 6 there. This is for A. For B, we have 2, 10. For C, we have 4, 10. Hopefully you're able to see. And when we multiply, we shall get negative 6, negative 10, negative 10. Here, negative 2, negative 2, negative 4. So this is how it will be. Meaning our A will be negative 6, comma, negative 2. Our B, negative 10, comma, negative 2. And our C, negative 10, comma, negative 4. So these are the coordinates we are going to have. So now if you just look at these coordinates, they will show you that this image will be on the third quadrant. It will be somewhere here, somewhere down here, okay? This is where the image will be, okay? So we can say this transformation will be called reflection. And the line of reflection will be y is equal to negative x. It will move like this. So it will be the other side, okay? Thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so, and set the notification bell, okay? Also leave the comment of what you think about the video. Bye-bye.